All right, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a video about BYD. I know you guys may have heard about this stock in the news, or this company in the news, given how fast they can now charge their vehicles. At least it's being presumed that they can do that. And the market in BYD hit all-time highs. So now what? We're going to talk about it right now. So welcome to the channel, everyone. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe. That's what we do here. We do price predictions strictly looking at the price chart without the confusion. And the crazy part is that we did a price prediction in BYD going all the way back to 2022. Yes, we've been in this game a long time. So if you guys want to watch all of our videos and content to learn as much as you can about how we're able to predict prices, make sure you guys go ahead and check out the content. So now, back then in 2022, I think Warren Buffett was buying some stock in BYD, which is why I did a video back in 2022. And as you can tell, if he bought BYD back in 2022, the man is now sitting pretty good in terms of profit. Yeah, he almost is doubling his money if he still held on to the stock then. But we were looking for the market in BYD to go down at that time. And as you can see, the market in BYD hit our TP price on 29th of September, 15, almost 16% move lower there. It ultimately bottomed out around 30% or 30.5% at $42.43. All right, so let's get rid of that. That time has passed and it is over. We're going to look at BYD now. Okay, we might need to change the time frame because you guys can see how sporadic and how gappy the market is in BYD. This is a over-the-counter stock. It is not listed on any of the American exchanges, which is why the market could look kind of gappy. But this is the overall trend though. Okay, you guys can see it. So if we were to move this to a weekly and clean it up a little bit, you guys can clearly tell that this stock is in a upward trend and it's actually in a breakout. A pretty big breakout, and it started right here on this weekly price bar when it's at $70. You're up about 50% now if you bought it on the week of February the 3rd, 2025. Okay, so yeah, BYD is strong. Here it is on the 2. My issue that I have is right here in this area. That to me, eventually at some point in time will be tested and properly filled. Here it is on the 3. Very bullish on the 3 right now. It is on the 5. You guys can see we got that buy signal being triggered even on the 5-weekly chart. Something that we really don't see in our software is triggers being signaled on a longer term time frame. So when you see it, you kind of want to pay attention. Here it is on the month 2. So yeah, this stock is bullish. The question is, do you come in and buy it at these high prices? Right? Or do you wait for the market to come down to a reasonable level to where the market would tell us, hey, I'm trying to buy the stock here, like right here. The market here is telling us that they were willing to buy the stock right in this area. Let's look at this on a different hourly time frame. It is on the 13-hour. So yeah, I would say I will put a pocket of buying right here. So we're going to leave it alone right now. We're not going to come in and try to purchase it when it's at all-time highs. Like, that's crazy. We're going to wait till the market comes down to at least one of these 2 targets and then try to consider, okay, now is BYD a buy? Okay, so we're not going to put on a prediction, look for the market to go higher, even though we do admit that this stock is bullish, even though we do admit that this stock is trending higher, but we're not going to buy it at these high prices. That's asinine. That's crazy. So we just have to be patient, wait, and allow the market to come to us. That's what we do. We simply allow the market to come to us. These might be some pockets right here too. Okay, so we'll put those there. Now, since we're waiting, okay, when the market in BYD comes back down, it's going to tell you, the market will let you know whether or not they're going to support that pocket, this one, or this one. They'll let you know because one, the volume will be there, and then two, it will show you signs or hints, clues that they're not trying to let the market go no lower. Okay, so we're going to leave it right there. Give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.